Introducing the 13-amp 1950 psi vertical electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. The powerful induction motor allows you to take on any stain with 1,950 pounds per square inch of water pressure, flowing at a rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. Clean out those hard-to-reach places thanks to the 25-foot long hose and 35-foot GFI electric cable. With a professional quick connect wand, easily switch between the turbo tip for higher pressure on tough jobs and the 25-degree, 40-degree, and soap quick connect nozzles. Fill in the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. The 20-foot non-marring hose prevents scuff marks, resists wear and tear, and makes it easy to move around while cleaning. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. The power cord, spray gun, nozzle, and wand are conveniently stored on board the unit. Easily transport the washer with its large wheels. With a 1-year warranty and a certification from the Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association, the 13-amp 1950 psi vertical pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver when and where it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Look at that. That's amazing.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Was able to take all that moss off.
Just blows it away.
I could just pull the pressure washer behind me and I wouldn't have to stop what I'm doing and go get it again. I could just...
Getting the power just right really works great. And I can dial it down and then use it on the house itself without damaging the wood.
It's nice to have the variety of the different tips. The dirt blaster works great.
Yeah, that just takes it right out of there. That's really nice.
Yeah, it just peels it right off.
I use the Vario to lightly take off the dirt.
Look at that. Yeah, it just takes it right off. All right, check that out.
I like it. It makes it easier, so I don't have to bend down.
When I'm using it, it feels more like fun.
Fun.
And it's so easy to use.
If you can use a vacuum cleaner, you can use this machine. It's just that simple.
It's so great because you can use it for so many different things.
The Follow Me definitely is the right tool for me.
Next up, we're going to visit Jack. Jack lives here with his wife in this great place, and they live under the flight path of a major airport, which creates its own messes. I'm Mark.
Jack.
Jack, nice to meet you. How are you?
Good.
Good. Well, thanks for having us here today. So you can go ahead and just spray her down. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Yeah.
That's amazing. I'll tell you right now, my wife's never going to let me use this thing because she's going to love it. Once she gets started, she won't stop. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
What color those were.
Probably decades of gunk coming up.
Look at that.
Holy moly. Wow.
Yeah. It takes so much dirt off. It's just amazing.
Do you usually wash this by hand or take it to a car wash?
I usually go to the car wash.
Yeah? How much does it cost?
Usually 25, 30 bucks.
Oh, God.
Yeah. A lot of dirt on this car.
Seem like it's taking care of it?
Yeah. Definitely. And it just takes those spots right out.
So, you a fan?
Yeah. Big time.
Jack, thank you so much for letting us help you clean your house in your time, man. That was a lot of fun. Hi. How's it going? Good. I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Kathleen.
I'm going to clean up some chicken poop. See how it works on that? Great. Whoa. Really doing the trick. Oh, my God.
All right.
Yep. Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't even realize that was dirt. I thought it was just that color. I liked it. I thought it worked great.
And it's fun, right?
It is pretty fun. Rolls right with you. Little buddy follows you around. Yeah, I'll definitely use this.
Phenomenal. Thank you, Kathleen, for having us. We appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Do I get to keep this guy? Let me have it.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.